Hi and welcome to the Cederberg Solace Cabins. With the sun out, we see the fire pit and the wood-fired hot tub on the right, the cozy daybed in front and the beautiful wooden deck to relax, dine or barbecue. Inside on the right we have the living area with an indoor fireplace and the beautiful bedroom with an amazing view to the Cederberg Mountains. On the left we find the fully equipped kitchen and the bathroom. And from the inside shower there is a direct access to the beautiful outdoor shower. Let's finish the tour with a final look from the front and say goodbye to a great combination of luxury, comfort and views to the stunning Cederberg Mountains. Please subscribe for more and thanks for watching. Bye bye.